Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Beetle Sport. The VW Beetle rekindled the magic of its legendary namesake and became a ray of sunshine in an all-too-serious car market. The Volkswagen Beetle is among the top 10 best-selling nameplates of all time, ranking right up there with the Ford Model T in terms of numbers sold. The design of Volkswagen's Beetle captures the essence of the original bug. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power sunroof, AM/FM stereo with CD player, premium sound system, FWD, adjustable lumbar seats, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, push button start. Come take a test drive today.